Off the mark. Another offensive board for Binyan. Roacorva's turn to fire and hits from downtown.
2 chances for Binyan, and they were able to knock it down at the second one. What a move.
Pull-up jumper from Roacorva is short. Sleet the rebound. San Juan on the run. Boral lost it. Pugnatan giving him space. Roacorva laban kay Patrick Sleet. 6 on the shot clock. Roacorva gets the step and he lays it in. Lasco, pass deflected. Naagaw ng San Juan. Quick pass ahead. Alarcon! Count it! Plus the foul. What a pass from Orlan Bomar. Raimundo. Naghanap ng papasahan. Caballero shoots over. Quecute. That's a big shot right there. Nick backing him down. Before the shot, it will not count. Gets into the paint, fades away, short. Nauuna si James Quecute. He will lay it in off that nice assist from Raylan Torres. JJ Pido drives baseline, kicks it out, open 3. Pamboy on target from downtown.
Dino Manansala, nakita niya kaagad eh. Sa kanyang phone or maybe tablet.
Ang bilis eh, no?
Oo. Yan talaga ang role ni Coach Gino dyan.
Kalisaan finally scores off the glass and in.
Misses 2 free throws, Alarcon. With a Hail Mary 3, wala.
Air ball and Binyan will get the win. JJ Pido will lay it up and in. And San Juan will drop down to 17-3, just their 3rd loss of the season. On the other hand, Binyan with that inside track of that #1 spot in the South.